The turning point was when I discovered that wealthy people don't just earn money, they put their money into specific accounts and vehicles that earn more money automatically. That one shift changed everything for me. And today, I'm going to share the exact 3 accounts I started with the same ones that helped me build real lasting financial freedom. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit subscribe. I drop financial education every week with zero gatekeeping. Let's go. All right, stream number 1, the high yield savings account. And yes, I know what you're thinking. That's just a savings account. Stick with me, because most people are leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every single year because of this. A traditional bank savings account pays you around 0.01% interest per year. You heard that right, 1 penny for every $100. That's basically nothing. A high-yield savings account usually found at online banks pays anywhere from 4 to 5% right now. Same FDIC protection, same easy access to your money, just dramatically more interest. Here's a quick example. My math teacher, Brain loves. If you have $10,000 sitting in a regular savings account, you earn about $1 a year in interest. Move that same $10,000 to a high-yield account at 4.5%. That's $450 per year. That's your Netflix, Spotify, and gym membership paid for, just from moving your money. This is your emergency fund account. Every personal finance expert agrees, before you invest a single dollar anywhere else, you need 3 to 6 months of expenses saved and liquid. This is where you park that money and get paid while you wait. I recommend checking out accounts at SoFi Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank, but always compare current rates because they change. I'll drop a link in the description. The bottom line on Stream 1, zero risk, zero market exposure, and you get paid just for keeping your emergency fund somewhere smarter. This is the first account every beginner should open. Now we level up. Stream number 2, dividend-paying ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket. Inside that basket are shares of dozens, sometimes hundreds of different companies. When you buy one ETF, you're instantly diversified across all of them. A dividend-paying ETF holds companies that regularly share a portion of their profits with shareholders. That share of profits lands directly in your brokerage account like clockwork, usually every quarter. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to manage anything. You just hold the ETF and collect the dividends. Some beginner-friendly examples. SCHD, one of the most popular dividend ETFs, has historically paid around 3 to 4% annually in dividends. VYM from Vanguard is another solid pick. You can find these on any brokerage: Fidelity, Schwab, TD, Ameritrade. Now here is where it gets really powerful. And this is the math teacher in me getting excited. It's called dividend reinvestment, or DRIP. Instead of taking your dividend as cash, you reinvest it to buy more shares. Those new shares then pay more dividends, which buy more shares, which pay more dividends. Compound growth. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. I believe him. Important disclaimer. Unlike the HISA, this involves market risk. Your investment can go down. The dividends are not guaranteed. This is why you build your emergency fund first, so you never have to sell your investments at a bad time just to cover rent. The bottom line on Stream 2 dividend ETFs are how you build a snowball of passive income that grows larger over time, even without adding new money. Stream number 3 is where most financial channels stop talking to beginners, and I think